Hello everyone, I'm Elliot Jose, the Regional Sales and Technical Manager at Chauvin, Arnoux, UK. Today, I'll be walking you through the process of how to enable the remote accessibility capabilities of the PEL 113 via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. First, we need to make sure that we've downloaded the PEL transfer software. This can be found on the Chauvin Arnoux website by navigating to the support tab at the bottom of the page. Once that's done, we need to connect the PEL to the mains supply using the figure of 8 mains lead. Then plug the USB cable into the PEL and your PC. Next up, open the PEL transfer software and click Add Instrument button along the top. Select the PEL you'd like to add, then click the USB as your connection method. Then click Next and then click Finish once a direct connection has been established. You can see a green tick appear indicating that the instrument is now connected. Navigate to Modify Instrument Configuration tab along the top. This loads the configuration settings from the PEL. Then go to the Communication tab. We now need to enable LAN and Wi-Fi. Make sure the mode is set to Wi-Fi station mode and ensure that UDP protocol is selected. Then scan to locate the Wi-Fi network that you'd like to connect with. So highlight the network, then click the select button. As you can see, this automatically updates the SSID. All you need to do now is enter the password field and click test. The status should now show it's connected and that we've got an IP address. Once you see this, press OK and then make a note of what port is being used. Press OK again to load the configuration to the unit. Next, we need to locate the IP address, which can be found under the Information section tab on the unit's display. To do this, press the right arrow key on the PEL 4 times until you're under the eye. If you're connected via RJ45 Ethernet, press the down key 6 times until it displays the LAN IP address. If connected via Wi-Fi, like we've done today, press it once more and you should see the IP address scrolling along the bottom. Once you've got that, you can remove the USB cable. Now, click on your unit on the left-hand side and click the Modify Connection Settings tab along the top. Choose Ethernet, LAN or Wi-Fi as your connection method and click Next. Type in your unit's IP address. The port should automatically be detected, but if it is not the same as the one you noted earlier, type it in manually. Make sure UDP is enabled. Click Next and it will confirm if a direct connection with the instrument has been established. Click Finished. As you can see, we've now got a green tick indicating that we're connected over Wi-Fi. We now have live data coming through, like the timestamp and much more. You'll also notice the unit's Wi-Fi symbols flashing. And we can now download the recorded sessions, configure settings and much more, all from the software remotely. Thanks for watching. You can now see how quick and easy it is to connect the PEL 113 to your Wi-Fi or LAN. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our PEL 113 range, feel free to contact us on info@chauvin-arnoux.co.uk.